Hello, Adrian. Hello, everyone watching.
Hello, Karin. During my time in the manufacturing industry, I noticed that many managers or supervisors had a tendency to look for problems and focus on what goes wrong, and very rarely notice and acknowledge the things that their teams did well. Many work environments shape employees and influence how they think and what they see. I know, as I was one of them. Now, having said this, Karin, how do you think focusing on what goes wrong impacts the way managers approach the one-on-ones they have with their team members?
Oh, this is a great question. And it impacts, of course, tremendously because the mindset really matters how you enter a one-on-one conversation. And oftentimes, unfortunately, managers have a lot of time pressure, so they want to tell the people what they do wrong. Now, this doesn't really help. So there are two things that are critical in a one-on-one once you get started. First off, it's the mindset, how you enter the conversation. If you judge a person, you limit the person, which means if you think, oh, George is lazy, it is impossible to bring George to the next level. So, how you think about the person is critical. So, getting into the conversation, thinking, how can I help George to get better? So, this would be mindset. And the second tip is making a one-on-one a good conversation with questions. So, simple tip on how to get started. I would say I would say I would get started by saying, George, what is going well for you at the moment? So this is tremendously helpful because it helps George to shift to the things that go well. The second question would be, George, what are some of your biggest frustrations at the moment? Again, you want to understand what is going on in George's world. And once you understand that, then you can dive into giving feedback, but this would be a whole new video. So I want to stop right here.
So to summarize it, having the right mindset and having a conversation where you use lots of questions.
Correct.
This was our message for today, and we will definitely see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.